epicenter of Michael Jackson's death was in an L.A. courtroom today for a preliminary hearing that could lead to a manslaughter trial. Dr. Conrad Murray denies his involvement in treating Michael Jackson that led to the death, the King of Pop's death. But prosecutors say his actions to cover the death prove his negligence. Stephanie Stanton is in L.A. with the latest.
The hearing began with a little star power. The prosecution's first witness was Michael Jackson's choreographer. He's one of about 30 witnesses the prosecution plans to call during this preliminary hearing. The prosecution wants to show that Dr. Conrad Murray should be held responsible for Michael Jackson's death. Katherine Jackson arrived with other family members at the front entrance of the L.A. County Courthouse, while Dr. Conrad Murray was ushered in through an underground garage. No cameras were allowed in court as the proceedings began. The judge will hear evidence to determine if Dr. Murray will stand trial for involuntary manslaughter.
Malice does not require that there be any mean-spirited or intent to kill. Rather, all that needs to be shown is that there was a reckless disregard for how Dr. Murray conducted his duties.
Members of the Jackson family, including his son Prince Michael, are not expected to take the stand. Prosecutors will call more than 24 other witnesses, including the Jackson bodyguard who called 911 on the day the pop star died.
The prosecution's opening statement made it very clear where this case is headed. It's all about the cover-up. The idea that Dr. Murray would wait 9 to 21 minutes before calling for life-saving help while he scooped up propofol bottles, that's the core of the case.
Prosecutors also plan to call medical experts to testify that Murray did not give Jackson proper medical care after he went into cardiac arrest.
So if the defense tries to bring this cocktail of medication in there, they want to be able to prove that the propofol killed him. The propofol would never be administered outside of a hospital. And because that happened, Michael Jackson died.
Murray has pleaded not guilty to 1 count of involuntary manslaughter. Sources say the defense will raise questions about who administered the lethal dose, hinting that Jackson may have injected himself. The L.A. County Coroner's Office has said the evidence does not support that theory. The preliminary hearing is expected to last about 2 weeks. Now, if convicted, Dr. Murray could face up to 4 years in prison. In downtown Los Angeles, Stephanie Stanton, WPTV News Channel 5.
Lindsay Lohan.